What's good, babes, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please make sure that you like this video, drop me some comments, and subscribe. If you are returning, thank you so much for continuing to watch my videos and rock with me. Don't forget to like the video, drop some comments, and make sure you share it. So excited to bring y'all this video. This video, from the title, as you can see, is going to be a hair review and also a tutorial. The reason why I'm super excited is to do this hair review is because of the company that I'm working with. So this beautiful, luxurious hair that you see that I have installed in my hair is from a Black-owned hair company, okay? A Black-owned business. The owner of the company is a young woman who is a boss, a becoming entrepreneur. Y'all, I have been watching her on Instagram, just watching her just build up her social media platform for her hair company and just do orders and things like that. She's very behind the scenes on her Instagram, and I fell in love with her grind. Like, I had to support. I just had to, and I'm so glad I did because this hair is amazing. Like, I found a 3-in-1 when it comes to a hair company. Black owned, great quality, great customer service. Can't go wrong. Like, you can't beat that. So look at this, y'all. This hair is fresh out of the package. I did not wash it. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything to this hair. I didn't curl it. I didn't put no water on it. I literally took it out of the package, unraveled the bundles, installed it, and this is what I got. Now, I was going to curl this hair up and do some extra fancy stuff to it, but I don't really have to do that. Like, hello? Like, when I say this, yeah, this hair was ready to go and ready to install right out the package. It was. All right, guys, so some details about the company. So the name of the company is AVION LUXE. You can find them on Instagram and Facebook, and they also have an email that you can reach out to if you're interested in ordering. I'm going to leave all the information in the description box located down below. Once again, this is a Black-owned business, a Black-owned woman business, okay? All right, I have to specify that. I just have to. And look how beautiful this hair is, y'all. I have in 4 bundles. Well, I don't have in completely all 4 bundles, but I have like 3.5 bundles in. I have 2 bundles of 16, 2 bundles of 14-inch, and this is where the 16-inch. I should have wore a lighter shirt, but I wore a black shirt so y'all can see the luster of the hair naturally. Even though I have on a black shirt, you can still see how beautiful and lustrous the hair is, you know? And this, like I said, y'all, I did not wash the hair. Okay, so anyway, I have in 4 bundles, 3.5 bundles. The owner of the company sent me 4 bundles to review for you guys. I was not able to fit all 4 bundles in my hair, clearly, because you guys know if you're returning that I have, I always got to disclaim that I have a peanut-sized head, okay? And I cannot fit 4 bundles of hair in my head. I probably could have if I would have finessed it, but I didn't. So I have 3.5 bundles on my head, and that was more than enough hair. The bundles were super full, super thick, all the way from the weft all the way down to the ends. There were no split ends. I am getting absolutely no shedding, okay? So when I initially got the hair and put it in, I cut my wefts to do this install, and I did get some shedding from cutting the wefts, but prior to me cutting the wefts, there was absolutely no shedding, and now that I have the complete install in, I'm still not getting no shedding at all. So you don't have to worry about shedding. Absolutely 0 tangles, none whatsoever. Like, I've been literally, y'all, I've been kicking it in this hair while I was doing my hair. Like, I'm listening to my music and I've just been kicking it. I've been swinging it, okay? And doing all this craziness, and it just falls right back in place. Like, it's so fluffy and beautiful. And no tangles, like, it don't tangle up. This hair is beautiful. I'm so happy that I found this company. So you guys definitely make sure you check her out and support her. Like I said, she's a college student. She's a Black woman. She's an entrepreneur. She's a boss. She's so sweet. So definitely check her out. I'm gonna, again, leave all the information in the description box. Thank you so much, Nyla, for sending me this hair. Thank you so much for reaching out to me and working with me, girl. Hopefully we can work together in the future, because that's how much I admire and want to support. And not even that, like, yeah. Like, y'all, I didn't do nothing but literally, it's like glue. You about to see. All I did was glue the hair in, fix up my leave out. This is a leave out, you guys. I'm gonna show you how I blended my leave out, so stay tuned. And I'm gonna also drop some tips as well when I do my quick weave. So you guys stay tuned. Definitely check her out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave some comments. And you guys, stay beautiful, stay blessed, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. All right, guys. So here I am in all my glory. I am doing a quick 30-minute quick weave. So I'm not going to be using a lot of products and not doing a whole lot of steps for this particular install. As you can see, here is my hair. I have it braided down in 4 cornrows. Going to the back, nothing fancy, and I have the minimalist leave out you could possibly think of. I did not want a lot of my hair left out, so I literally just have like my little edges and my leave as less minimal leave out as possible, because I don't want to have to deal with my hair. So few products I used was some gel, as you saw. I'm going to be using this Got To Be spray, and this is the holy grail product that you must have when you are using any type of bonding on your hair. This is going to save your hair from breakage. This is going to protect your hair from the glue and any damage. And also, you want to get a cap. So right now you see me just putting on my cap. I stretched it out before I put it on to help. And how I like to apply my caps is I like to pull them all the way down as if I'm doing a ball cap method, like you're seeing right now. Cut the ears out. And what this will do is help so that your quick weave is more comfortable and it isn't too tight and really like tugging on your hair. And that band that you see at the end, that won't be on your head because that can cause breakage. If that band is left there on the nape of your neck or around your perimeter of your edges, that is what causes breakage when you're doing quick weaves, that freaking stocking cap being there. So make sure you pull it all the way down and cut it out like you're doing a bob cap method. Here is the gem, guys. This beautiful hair. Again, the name of the company is AVION LUXE Hair. Look them up on Instagram, Facebook, and also you can contact them via Gmail. Look at this beautiful luster, y'all. This hair has not been touched by me as far as conditioned, washed, oil. I have not done nothing to it, and just look at how beautiful and lustrous it is. It's so soft. It's just beautiful. And again, hopefully we can work together in the future, but this hair is beautiful, okay? It is bomb. It is bomb. It is bomb. And all the information will be in the description box below. The wefts were built and made so good. Yeah, I'm here for it. So now we're going to go ahead and get started on laying our tracks. And I'm going to make sure that my edges are all out of the way. Make sure you got some space. Make sure you got some mirrors because you're going to need them. Make sure you got some good light so you can see what you're doing. And right now you want to just go ahead and measure out your weft. So you want to start from one side of your ear to the other side. Measure it from where your hair is starting at and ending at. Cut it. And one tip that I like to do to kind of speed up the process is I like to start the first couple of tracks that I'm laying. I like to measure them out and cut about maybe 5 of those out. So I have pre-cut tracks, and then I like to go in and just glue those on. That kind of helps me speed up the process of laying the extensions. There's other ways you can do it as well to make the process go by smoother, but this is just the one way I'm showing you. Right now you just see me applying the glue. Oh, this is 30-second bond glue. All of the products that I use will be in the description box, guys, so don't forget to check out the description box. It is very helpful and will answer a lot of questions that you may have. So right now you see me laying the first track. Again, I'm starting where my leave out or my edges are beginning, and I'm placing on there and I'm holding it on there, give it some time to sit and dry, bringing it all around, and I'm placing it on the other side. So you pretty much want to lay your tracks in like a U shape, you know, to your head, okay? And you want to make sure, like I said, make sure you're somewhere that has some good lighting so you can actually see. If you can see, I'm laying the track like starting it where it's so hard to describe this, y'all. Y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, just lay it in a U. I can't explain it. Another tip is to use hairspray as you're doing your quick weave. This will help speed up the drying process for the glue, and it will also help the hair adhere better to your head. Like, it helps with the stickiness and making sure that your tracks are secure and they won't get snatched out too easy, if you know what I mean. But anyway, yes, go ahead and continue that process up until you gradually get to the top of your head. I'm not gonna do too much talking,
But if there's tips that I see that I'm doing, I'm going to go ahead and come back in and tell you about those tips. But if you guys want a detailed video about how to do quick weaves, definitely check out some of my other videos or drop me some comments and I'll upload a more recent one. But this one is not a detail. This is like a quick 30-minute style. Like, I wanted to be done because I hate doing my own hair, y'all. I hate it, but I always love the results, so they gotta get done. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. All right, guys, so I am back, and at this point, I believe I have gotten through the first 16-inch bundle, or maybe like more than half of the 16-inch bundle, and I just wanted to come on and show you guys like how much hair I was able to fit on my head just off that one bundle. AVION LUXE, baby, you did your thing. But yeah, this hair is beautiful. There was so much hair just in that one bundle, so that's what I'm coming on here to show y'all. And as y'all can see, I'm amazed at the quality. Like, the proof is in the pudding. These reactions are real and raw, honey. I just couldn't. I was feeling myself yesterday. I ain't gonna lie. I was feeling myself.
This hair is so good, yo. Like, I can't get over it. Literally have not done nothing to it. I have been no product in it. And it's giving me beachy waves. Like, I love it. Can't wait till I get finished. No tangles as I'm putting it in. I'm cutting the webs. No shedding. Like, no shedding. So now I'm on the 14-inch bundle, y'all. This is 2 bundles of the 16-inch. This is just 2 bundles, okay? I still have 2 full bundles of the 14-inch left to go.
And I just had to come in and do a moment for this slow-mo. Look at that. That hair is falling like silk, baby. Silk. All right, babe. So at this point, as you can see, I am pretty much completed with my quick weave. I just got to lay a couple more tracks down. But I wanted to come and show you what the U is now looking like now that I've worked my way up to the top of my head. Look at how voluptuous and full my hair looks. Oh my gosh. Yes, ma'am. But anyway, so now I'm about to go in and show you the completed look. And then we're going to go ahead and get to this leave out, which you all have highly requested. So you always want to make sure that your hair, your natural hair up under your extensions are well taken care of before you do anything to it, okay? My hair is moisturized and sealed up under my quick weave. And for my leave out is moisturized with a light oil and heat protected. Please use a heat protectant. I can't stress this enough before you apply heat. This crimper I'm going to use is, you can purchase it at Walmart. I know it looks like a toy, but when I tell you this thing works amazing. The brand is Bedhead. They have pretty good quality brands as far as their products. But this crimper, it's going to do the job. Okay, so you can go to Walmart, get this. It's super affordable. And the only thing that I'm doing, I do have this on the highest setting. But again, please use heat protectant, guys. Heat protectant. I am going to go ahead and just crimp my leave out. And then once I do the crimps, I'm going to let them sit so they can cool off completely. You're going to see the process. But this is how I blend my leave out into body wave or curly extensions, my crimper. And this is the completed look, babes. Look at that leave out. Where is my leave out? Do I have a leave out? Or is it a lace closure? Look at these beautiful, like this hair. I don't even know what else to say at this point. Just look. Yes. Work, sis.